The Arduino Project 8 detecting the vibration. The BitBrain group members. The programmer Jordan J. Miranda. The assembly Regine Ricaford. The video editor Maria Isabel de Villa. The second assembly Julian Andre Volo. Detecting vibration. This activity will recreate detecting vibration with Arduino involved using vibration sensor switch as piezoelectric sensor, simple vibration switch and connection into the Arduino. The requirements components DFR Arduino Uno. Prototype shield 5 jumper cable tail switch sensor regulator 20R 5 light. Vegana source code explanation.
Hi, my name is Jordan J. Miranda, and here's the source code for the project number 8 for the detecting vibration. Sensor LED for the digital pin is 13. For the sensor input is number 3, and unsigned charge state 0. Pin mode setup, sensor LED output, sensor input. And for the blink rising is only number digital 1. Here's the void loop. If else state 0 equals 0, state equals 0, digital red, so LED will be turned on, then delayed for point, 0.5 seconds. And here's the void blink. Here, same as the above vibration.
The result of project. Challenge for Arduino Project 8. Requirements components. DFR Arduino Uno. Prototype shield. 5 LED light. Radiator 220R. Tail switch sensor. 5 jumper cable buzzer Source code explanation.
Hi, my name is Jordan J. Miranda, and here is the Arduino project number 8 source code challenge. Here we inputted a buzzer and digital pin 8, then pin mode plus input output, and we just added a bass tone for 1000 hertz frequency, then no tone bass. So when the buzzer will be off when the light is up.